have you watched Shrija?
Yeah.
Okay. So I find her very hilarious. First of all, I feel that there's so many boys slash men in stand up and they're all great. But I feel it's good that women are also taking this as a career path. And I think Shrija is doing a great job with stand up. And I love the fact that she is so straight, no expression. And since we're talking comedy, I remember many of Rajesh Srivastava's skits, okay? So in one, he's talking about if a news reporter was like what kind of personality. So one of them is like, if the news reader is like एकदम आलसी, like एकदम ऐसा, it's like मतलब इतना आलसी कि ऐसा जब बच्चा बच्चा ऐसा बेबी बाहर आया तभी हट निकाल दिया साली. So मस्त में सो रहा था मेरे को निकाल दिया and he's like scratching and all. It's so funny. So you see the kind of comedy I like.
Yeah. I'm
But like,
wondering how you're going to get to Shrija.
because of that alas. Like
Oh.
that's what I'm trying to say. But
Mm.
I feel that it's more to her stand-up act. And on YouTube, there's one part where she talks about Andheri.
Oh, yeah.
Have
yeah,
you
yeah.
seen it?
Yes. Yeah.
I mean, so relatable. And because I was in Bombay when that got released, and I was just fed up of the traffic. There's so much traffic, even after metro and everything. And then when she spoke about this Andheri, I was like, man, so true. I sent you a clip of Shrija also. And then I want to also know what you think of Shrija.
हम अपनी भाभी को घर लाने गए ना, तो उधर जाकर मेरे पेरेंट्स ने ऐसे बोला, मेरी भाभी के पेरेंट्स को, कि इसे हम बिल्कुल अपनी बेटी समझ के रखेंगे. और वो खुश हो गए सुनकर. ये तो धमकी है, सर्वनाश का संदेश है ये तो. लौट जाओ मुसाफिर, तुम्हारा कोई नहीं है यहाँ पर. कि कब मेरी मम्मी मेरी भाभी को भी रात में 11 बजे कॉल करके बोले कि मत आओ घर, तुम्हारा सड़कें नापती रहो बस. मैं चाहती हूँ ऐसा हो कि मेरी भाभी ना एक बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट प्रेजेंटेशन दे रही हूँ अपने ऑफिस में, बीच प्रेजेंटेशन में. मेरी मम्मी का कॉल जान के पास कि तुमसे बोला था ना दही फ्रिज में रख कर. I think if my भाभी stays long enough, मेरी मम्मी मेरी भाभी को भी शादी के लिए प्रेशर करना शुरू कर देगी.
Oh,
Wow.
God.
Nice. So yeah, I like Shrija, but I'm not as laugh out as you are. You're watching
Yeah.
second time and you're still laughing out loud. So I'm so happy for you. But I watched Shrija and she has done some podcasts also with Kenny Sebastian and
Oh,
they keep collaborating, all of them. So
yeah.
I have not watched her stand up, but I just, again, I like her as a person, even though I don't know her. She's so nice, not controversial.